The ADDIE method. How I used ADDIE to design, deliver, and assess training in Manila. ADDIE is an instructional design model that provides a framework for building and assessing instructional design. It consists of 5 phases: analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. In 2012, I was in charge of a project to design and facilitate training in Manila. The goal was to transfer specific duties to a processing team as seamlessly as possible. Here's how I did it. First, we determined the scope of the training. We determined the systems to train and the amount of systems knowledge desired. We looked at the trainees, what their roles and their background would be. We couldn't make assumptions about their knowledge and skill level, so we would build training for new employees with little or no systems knowledge and little or no knowledge of group benefits concepts. The optimal delivery method would be in person, on site. The time frame, also determined by budget, would be a 2-month stay. The desired outcome would be fully independent specialists with high QA scores. Moving into the design phase, we reviewed the learning objectives. We looked at lesson planning, what supporting documentation would need to be created, and what existing material could be used or repurposed. We also looked at the best presentation formats available for the training. In development, we started creating the material, including presentations, quizzes, and supporting documentation. We tested the material and performed model office testing to ensure that the workflows would not impact our service levels. All material was reviewed with subject matter experts to identify any gaps. In implementation, I traveled to Manila and met the trainees. I ensured that the classrooms and systems were working for training purposes and reviewed the training plan to ensure that we stayed on track. I discovered that the trainees had some systems knowledge already, and we were able to accelerate training and reach the production phase earlier than planned. Evaluation was performed all the way along. We assessed knowledge through tests. We were able to use a test environment to perform simulations. We then moved to actual cases in production, which were reviewed by subject matter experts and QA. After class, the trainees completed a survey to provide feedback on the training itself. And the release to independent work phase kicked in, where QA was performed on a decreasing scale as they showed improvement over the next few months. And that's how I applied ADDIE principles. Thanks for watching.